Welcome to How to Beauty, and today we want to bring you our most favorite leave-in conditioner. I'm telling you, I have tried Kerastase, I have tried Oribe, I have tried every single high-end, in-between, low brand, whatever you want to call it, hair masks for the last 10 years. I've had clients come to me and ask me for the best mask, and I can tell you I didn't have an answer until recently. You can find Cantu at Target, Rite Aid, and Walmart, just to name a few. What does this do? Well, as you know, I have bleached hair that has been bleached time after time after time. My hair is frizzy naturally because of this bleaching. My hair is over-processed, and my hair does not want to dry straight. And I promise you, I have 50 hair products that I could layer on top of each other and not get the result. It's this. So let's dive in. Cantu Argan oil is a leave-in conditioning and repair cream. This is for any hair type. You can use this as a deep conditioning mask, which is what I do. So I will wash my hair in the beginning of my beauty regimen, then I will rinse. I will use this. I have found that I don't have to mix this with anything else when I am conditioning in conditioning treatment time. I do leave this in 5 to 20 minutes. It just depends on how long I have. I don't suggest that you sleep in this hair mask. The argan oil is amazing. It's 100% pure. Now let's talk about the price for a second. $4.99, $5.99 for a hair mask. I have spent over $50 for a hair mask before that did okay. This is $4.99 to $5.99, and it is unbeatable. My hair, so I wash this out of my hair, and then I will take just a little bit, and I mean just a little bit, and I have very long hair. I will use about this much. I don't know if you can see that. I use just a little bit, and I will work that through usually the ends of my hair. If you have dry scalp, of course you can put a little bit, but you know, make sure when you're doing leave-in products that are this thick that you really work it from ends to scalp. Make sure it doesn't weigh the hair down if you don't use too much, if that makes sense. So a little goes a long way. I would say frizziness, it beats it by 80%. I can use 5 products and get similar results when it comes to a blowout, having that blowout, really sleek look afterwards. But I have never used a hair conditioning cream like this. It really repairs, it really hydrates, it really nourishes. After the first use, you see a difference. There are several competitors out there that don't even compete to this formulation. It's so inexpensive. It is hard to believe. I'll tell you, I've been in the business for over 20 years. I have sold everything under the sun, mass, prestige, doesn't matter. This wins hands down. It has a 4.5 rating. I give it a 5.0 plus plus plus. It is that good. And it's $4.99 to $5.99. Please give this a try. I will tell you it has a sister, and that is the Shea Butter. The Shea Butter is wonderful as well. But the Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioning Mask and Repair Cream is hands down the very, very best, and it is worth every single penny. I'm so excited to share this with you today. I hope that you guys go out and try this. Check it out. You can get this at any Target, any Walmart. It is on the shelves. I will tell you, I frequent several Targets and Walmarts in my area. Sometimes it is sold out, but I didn't want to keep this secret to myself. I wanted to share this with you, just like everything else we're going to be sharing with you. Thank you so much. I hope you love it as much as we do. Bye-bye.